Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you that how to connect image with cell, right? So let's move on to another sheet. So actually what I want to do in this sheet that here we have some shapes. There are so many shapes we have in this insert tab, right? So this is the shape. So you can take any of these shapes and suppose I want to connect it with cell. Suppose whatever I will type here, like if I type here hello. So this whatever the text I want to just connect this cell with this particular image. So how can we do it in Excel? Suppose I am just want to write something over here, like I want to type here hello, but it is a static, it is not a dynamic, right? So it will remain here like this, but what I am going to do that I want to just connect this cell with this uh, image. So basically when we are just creating a dashboard and when we just want to present any Excel file to some other department, so we want to just bold our header and we want to just make it more attractive. So we use these shapes in order to show some data which is important to like the client, just like the if the price is going up and down. So rather than using a cell, we can use the uh, this kind of image. Okay, so I will show you that how can you connect it with the particular cell, how can we connect it with the image. So first of all, I'm going to delete it. So let's take an example. This is the cell. This is the cell. I am just typing here one formula, that is now, which will return the value like current date and time. So here we have current date and time, right? So I just want to insert one image over here. So let's take an example. This is the image. I want to just add this value over here. Whenever the time will change, automatically it will reflect over here. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to go to the image and then right click here, then click on edit text. And then what you can do, you can just go to this formula bar, then use is equal to just this sign you need to add, then select this image and then press enter. Once you will do that, then automatically this particular cell is linked to this image. So let's do some formatting over here and just alignment I need to change, and this is good I think. And let's change some formatting over here. So white is good I think, right? So you can see that whatever the value you can see over here, if I'll change it right now, you can see that it is 1556. If I'll press F5, okay, so let's change it, because I think it will take time because it is in a minute, so it will take minute to change it. Right now it is 57. So let's do something else. I'm just typing here some like A, and just I will press enter. Then now you can see that here we have A, B. If I want to type some integer values over here, then you can see here numbers. Okay, or double one. Actually, it is in a time format. That is why it is coming like that. And if I'll change the time format to the number format, okay, just wait for that pop up. Okay, just it's a general. Okay, so now you can see that whatever the numbers we have, automatically it is reflecting over here in this image. Let's maximize it. And if I type some values over here, text values over here, A, B, C, D, something like that. So you can easily see here. You can format this image as well. You can just go to these. These are some of the formats we have in Excel file. So you can choose it. And when you are just creating any dashboard and you want to just reflect any important value which is uh, which you want to just highlight, so you can use these images and and you can choose the format as well, and you can easily connect it with the cell to the image. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.